What's up guys, my name is Tony and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first look at the Lululemon Fresh Form hoodie in some kind of gray. I'll put it on screen. Now for me this is a size extra large. I wear extra large for all their tops. Here are my measurements here in case you are curious about anything on my body. Those are the measurements. Now this hoodie here is a super thin material. It is supposed to be worn as it's not as an outer layer, as its own thing. One of the ways I think you can tell that is, the thinness of the material. Another way is it doesn't have any pockets or anything like that on it. And you can actually see here, by the way, the seam is on the side. It's, I think, one of the long line style tees. I don't wear a ton of those right now, so I'm interested to see. This was in the final sales section, so that's why I picked it up. But this is super simple. Let's try it on and see how we like it. Okay, so here is the Fresh Form hoodie, very similar to the Fresh Form shirt. The one thing about Lululemon that I really like, they nail the sleeve length every single time for an extra large for me. The sleeve fit is super well. Fresh Form is a little bit longer, but I actually like that look because it is like a slimming effect or gives you a longer torso, so that's fantastic. I also really like the little bit of texture that it has in the shirt as well. Now this would be a base layer because there are no pockets or anything like that. It's super thin as well, like a t-shirt would be. If you did want to rep the hood, there's the hood as well. Do some turns. And yeah, there you go. Again, it's Lululemon, it's good. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be the #1 source for all things male Lululemon on YouTube. Very, very soon I will be #1. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, thanks.